No, I didn't.
What is this?
I'm vlogging.
Vlog? I gotta go back home.
What'd you bring all this stuff for?
Last girl's working on his dumb car.
Let's still talk to me again.
You're staying here.
You're staying here.
What's your name again? Huh? What's your name again?
Till I'm out of moves, no need for shame. I get more peace and slow speeds. Don't beat the game, young control.
Gotta stay hydrated.
Yeah.
Full blazer.
Dental floss. Zoom in the dental floss. Gotta keep clean teeth. Gotta keep clean teeth. Gotta stay flossing. This is actually my idol. Gotta stay flossing. Those are nice.
Yeah.
I actually haven't seen these in person.
Nice,
yet.
huh?
Wow.
Damn, it was a badass.
Dang.
I actually like how you do the center thing, that color.
Yeah, I like it a lot.
It looks good with this color.
Dang, this is
GDM stuff. Everybody's all trying to order. We start selling it for more.
so double the price.
Double the price. It was like $25 instead.
$50.
It's like 55.
Plus shipping and handling, $10.
Clear. Clearly different.
Yeah, that looks. It matches.
It's gonna match your clear lenses.
Doesn't match your wheels.
It's gonna match your windshield.
I'm surprised it's coming perfect.
Just
Dude.
they're chilling,
I'm telling you, this stuff is good.
What? What is that?
Who the fuck? Alright, this is the second dildo that comes out. Who's bringing out
yeah.
dildos?
Oh my god.
No.
Oh, you know what?
Who's bringing out dildos?
You're
You're the only
I
fucker that comes out
dildos.
dildos. No, it has to be I, bro. No, I fucking
Look
got to
at-
my
you know
car
what
already,
size?
and there was a dildo in the back of my car, bro. The only person I can think of other than everybody and Nathan is this fool.
Yeah, look at how hard he's laughing.
It's only
You know
him.
what?
Bro, and that shit was tagged up. I opened up the box and I was like, yo, what the fuck is this? A fucking dildo? Like, I went and
Alright.
put it on
That looks
fucking
so weird.
Nathan
Hold on.
under his seat.
can
So
push
when
it
he
in more.
stops hard, that shit like rolls out and
Yeah.
shit. Like, he still hasn't found it. Oh, so we're like, bro.
Look at the color of it. It matches him.
Smell it.
Nah, I need to find out who the fuck is doing this. This is the second time.
That's way too much lab.
Nah, dude, this is not normal. Nah, this is the second dildo. Nah. Maybe it was the first one, okay, but nah, this is the second one. Oh, man.
Alright, I'll go. When you drop it.
Put in the real one. I don't know, but the thing is, like, even if you say a certain shit, you did it though.
What's the target?
I'm fucking tight on fuck.
Hey, get it done. 25, okay.
He's that fucking tight as fuck, bro.
Oscar, you gotta go left, dude. You got dual caliper on the rear?
He's in a drift, bro. He's in a drift.
What?
He's going where he's got out. He gets really frank. He's in a drift.
Damn, this is a badass. That looks so good.
I heard him on his fucking sick. Look at Oscar's face. Look at it. It goes so good with like.
My heart's beating fast.
Look at Oscar's face.
Oh, that's perfect, dude.
The color of the wheels goes so perfect with it.